Klaus first transition into a wolf.
When he killed for the first time, we knew what he truly was.
What is happening to me?
No! Don't! Don't!
Father, it hurts.
He's a beast. An abomination. He wasn't just a vampire.
He was also a werewolf. That's how the werewolf curse works. It isn't activated until you take a life.
Klaus was the result of an indiscretion our mother had hidden from us all. An affair with a werewolf like yourself. Infuriated by this betrayal, my father forced our mother to cast a spell that would suppress Klaus's werewolf side, denying him any connection with his true self.
Elijah! Elijah! Hold him down! Brother! Please, don't let them do this to me! Do it now, boy! Now! Help me.
Your dad was a dick.